in the beginning, in the beginning.
Yeah, but when you finish going to spit fire.
What is up, y'all? It is Clue and we are back. It's another video. I feel like whenever I start a video from in the house going outside, it's always gonna be a good one. Today, I'm excited. I'm super excited, and I'm going to go pick up the TL from getting some stuff done to it to get prepared for Gatlinburg this week. I'm already late. Today is Wednesday. People are up there already. I'm slacking. I'm behind. But TL is finally done. There's a few little bits and pieces that I gotta get done with the car when I get it back, and we are trying to make it out there. Got my boy Moose. What's up, Moose? What's up, guys? The camera ain't see you in a long time. Yo, I'm excited. I'm excited. Moose, you excited? You excited, buddy? Yeah. I'm about to call an Uber and we're out. See, I'm about to go link Pack Boys Raw, and we're gonna go to Minty together. I'm in the Oopski right now. I'm hype, y'all. I'm hype. Been a long time coming. It's about to be my first show, first event that I popped out to with a V. Finally did something. Let's get it, guys. It's an exciting moment. Yo, we back. Got Pack Boys Raw. Y'all already know the vibe. Yo, you excited, bro?
Kinda. No, I'm super excited. I can't lie.
Yo, we are outside. Yo, Pack Boys mobbing, you heard? Yo, we just pulled up. Car is outside. Yo, I don't even want to turn the camera too far. What's your reaction, bro? Oh, yo. Let's get the fuck up out of here. Ah, man. Yo, damn. That's crazy. All right, so we live. Minty detailing. Pull up, get y'all washers, get y'all powder coating, PPF, whatever y'all need. But the star of the show, oh, my God. Oh my God. Yo, I'm ready to go to GAT. I'm ready to get in the car and drive it on the road. Like, this shit look good. Like, what the fuck? Got the head nod of approval over there in the corner. Head nod of approval, right? Nah, don't mind my fender. Of course the fender and the bumper gotta be friggin' out of place, bro. Always something. Don't mind that though. Dreams coming to reality, y'all. Dreams coming to reality. Shouldn't have had the camera up while I'm driving on the highway. Yo, like, yo, you gotta see the looks that people give me when the car passes them. Like, it's surreal. Like, everybody looks at it. Like, I need to catch it. I need to catch it, bro. I need to catch it. I just gotta hold the camera like this one time for the one time. See if I catch the glimpse.
A lot.
I know I'm gonna catch somebody doing it, but listen, the car is driving nice. So Minty, they did their thing with the wheel color change and the clean, the detail, and the hair is super clean. I don't think I've had this car this clean since I've owned it, and this has been 4 years plus. But This video is not ending here. Like, I'm gonna try to bring y'all through the whole process of us getting ready to get up out of New York and get to where we gotta go in Tennessee for the shit. Be outside with the gang members them. Yo, it's gonna be a good time this weekend, bro. I hope that the best of everything that if anything happens at the end, that we can all say that yo, it was a good weekend. But camera down, back to driving. It's 5:20 and I am still running on 0 hours of sleep. About to get in the car and bring it to Pack Boys. I just made it to Pack Boys. Car is parked up, as y'all see. Fog lights are working. Side markers are working. We're back in action. These are the last two things I wanted to get done that I could get done that I had the time for before it's time to go. But we at HQ, Pack Boys HQ. Y'all already know the vibes. Oh, I think that's my Uber right there. Yep, definitely, that's my Uber right there. About to hop in the Uber and get up out of here. Back in the house. Tired now. This is 6:08. The rental place opens at 7:30, so for me to get the trailer. So I got about an hour to play with, to take a nap. Quick power nap and try to recharge myself, because I'm definitely tired running on 0 hours of sleep. So I'm gonna try and get that in real quick. Hey, my gaming setup. Hey, y'all, stream, Twitch going on in the link. It's not about that though. And we catch a little nap, pick back up the camera, be right back with y'all. Time is currently 7:58. I'm running out the house to go pick up the U-Haul. I'm running a little bit behind schedule. I just finished packing up and stuff. And I'm still gotta come back home when I'm done. And I gotta go to Queens and Far Rockaway for the U-Haul. Man, it's now 9:37. U-Haul trailer is picked up, connected. We are ready to go. Now I gotta go back home. Gotta go back home. I gotta get Moose, the other little stuff that I left, and we are out of here. Packed up everything, got Moose in the back. Truck is packed up. We ready to go. Ain't gonna lie. Time to go link the boys. Got me a bacon and cheese, salt, pepper, no ketchup. I don't know how y'all niggas do that, and I'm from New York, so. Anyways, first pack member picked up. Yo.
We about to hit the road, you heard?
Yes, sir. We super about to be on roads. We about to go get Ra, throw the car in the trailer, and we are on roads. Right, Moose?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, he need a haircut. Car getting ready to get loaded up. Damn, bro, we are super behind schedule. Super behind. Wish I could hold the camera and do this at the same time. All right, let's see. Yo. At this moment, he knew some foul shit was about to go down.
He just gonna have to ride that. Pause. Pause, 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 pause.
Whoa!
Pause, pause, pause. Chill. That was on camera.
Hey, yo, what the fuck? Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Nah. Chill. We ain't cutting that. We gonna cut that.
Psych!
No.
Slow, stay right there.
One eternity later.
Yes, sir. All loaded up, all ready to go. What time is it? Damn, it's 1:48. 1:48. You gotta get it pushing. Yo, that manra, let's go. Quick liquor store stop.
Let me go, man. I'll see you.
All right, man.
Yo, y'all know what's going on. You see we got the on the trail ski. We finally hit road. We on the belt right now still. We just about to, you feel me?
The roads with the pan road.
With the pan road, bro. Yo, DQ. Moves. We outside. We didn't forget y'all. Oh man. A little bit of Doja, some activities. You feel me? Yo, you can't watch YouTube on that? Festivities. Come on, chill, don't. Yo, chat. Don't get mad at me. Cameraman not even supposed to talk that much. It's the funny part.
Final roll call. For BKO, we outside. We just got on the bridge, or we about to get on the bridge, so y'all already know the vibes. How much time we got left?
Oh, I keep saying
8 hours, yeah. Let me get off of the GPS. But niggas start crying. Yo, but it's lit though. Oh shit, look at the view. Hold on.
10 hours ain't nothing. Where the view at? We leaving the city. Shit, me. Shit, man.
We're gonna check back in a few. Just made it to the first rest stop. About to go get some Shake Shack. Dogs is out again, the bathroom's great. We still got a long trip ahead of us because we're only in Jersey. What time is it? 4:57. Hey, Moosie. Hi, boy. Hi, boy. You know I love you? Love you to blood clot. Hey, you about to 40 at the weed? Moose, you about to 40 at the weed?
My son, Unc. Jacking this shit.
Appreciate you.
You feeling it? You feeling it? Okay. My son probably crashed for one of those in PR.
What about that?
Scratching and said he was when he looked at
Damn, man, you like.
Secured the shack. Yes, sir.
Shack is secured.
Nah, these niggas went and got food from the deli before we pulled off. Even though, look, we got to the shack in like what?
It's Gucci. I'm still hungry.
You fat as fuck.
Moose, relax, bro. You trying to 48 yourself.
Yo, this is the final chapter. You heard the final piece. You know we got to do it right. Shake it up a little bit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Dead shells on the block.
That's a fact.
Shells that went to the graveyard.
That's a fact.
A few moments later.
You can take videos while recording, right?
Okay.
Yeah, I ain't printing it. That we not gonna do it.
You are made of stupid.
What happened? What happened? They come forward on me, game. It smell like bro, that shit was great. Sugar honey ice. Seasoning in here. Hold on. It's starting to get dark. 7 o'clock, 6:59. We got a ways to go. Got Moose up in front of me.
I got like 8 hours left, ready for my bed.
Word to bro.
I'm securing the paper they waiting for. I'm not really greedy, but I need more. No, I cannot stop till I get on tour. Concerts in Paris, merci, bonjour. I don't got no hoes, but I need a few. And I need me a eater too. Flossie Moss said it best. I need me a red bone like Pikachu. If this bitch running hide, I ain't seeking you. If you show me you, Lord, then I'm keeping you.
So we have made it to our second stop. We are, I think, in Silver Spring, Maryland. My boy jumped up on the truck getting the footage. Garage to check out. I ain't gonna lie, he's gone. I just finished putting the gas in. It took 60. Damn, bro. Workhorse. Moose, I'm preparing food for the dogs and everything. I need a knife, so I gotta go inside to get that. And I gotta get some of the goodies out of the cooler. Yo, cameraman.
Yeah, man. We trying, man. We pushing through.
DQ.
Last stop was what? 5, 6 o'clock.
Yeah, facts. Last stop was like 5:30. Nah, like 6. What time is it now? It's 9:30 now. 5
camera's doing.
Y'all want to sponsor your boy, holla at me. And they both chowing down. Moose almost finished his plate. DQ, this is all over the place and messing stuff up like cheese, bro. And DQ can't eat civilized.
I get to the money, but I get money on the weekend too. I'm foreign by nature, come see the view. You settle for one, but I needed two. My life is a movie, my exes with demons. You are what you eat, I'm a demon too. Vavi, demon juice, earning my stripes like Adidas suits. I'm on the rise, don't gotta disguise. It's Richie the foreign, Lefty Ginobili. You know that I'm scoring. Your bitch in the floor.
Check in. Yo, I just got the best sleep of my life. It's 7:53 the next day. We made it. We are at GAT.
That's a dispensary.
Cafe 420 dispensary. I thought weed was illegal out here.
But fuck it, cause she love it. My fingers inside like a puppet. But fuck it, cause she love it. She asking for dick in her stomach. But fuck it, I'm getting to the top Fiji. Mixing the Zaza with the Gigi. Wild thoughts, no Riri. Sucking mother in your TT. Lil Guinea like Kiki. Spelling words like a...
Good morning. We made it. Everybody here in one piece. Cars in here in one piece. Yes, sir, we made it. Good morning. Today is Friday. Today is our first official day at GAT. And we are outside. We are outside.
Shots.
We back. We got a random guest that pulled up. Niggas is outside for real. I don't even know what the update is right now. Did you charge the battery in the other camera?
Should be full.
Update is everybody just finished getting a shower. Nobody's eating for the day yet. It is it's 3 o'clock. Nobody's eating. We're about to go trailer the car to the car wash, unload the car there, wash the car, go get food, so that we can mob while we're going to go get food. And then we're gonna mob while we're gonna go get food. And then we're gonna go whatever shit is happening on tonight. We outside, bro. We outside. I don't know where it's at. Wherever it's at, the TL is outside. It's making it there. Oh God. And if it ain't making it there on them tires, we got tires. We making it there. Oh God.
Yeah, gang, we outside for real. We outside for real. You see the TL back there. We really outside Tennessee. We really made it, bro. We really.
Turn left onto Sandpipe Boulevard, then turn right onto Wares Valley Road.
Right now, pack the boys.
Get to the bag, get to the breach, get to the money, I'm off the leash. First place, speech, eating, feast. Bitches is bad, don't fall for a treat. Don't get caught like no love in the street. Blow me, sheesh, call her, freeze. I stay on my shit for myself and my fam. Most of these haters don't know who I am. I'm catching flights working on my tan while they steady lurking and preying the gram. I do what I want, you do what you can. I'm making shit happen for my satisfaction. Just stacking and stacking, car bread and relaxing. I'm rapping and trapping, I text if they asking. No snitching, no lacking, my roots for myself. The code with my brothers, baby, know your worth. Get money, the bag, the purse, the cash, the duffel, the Birkin, the Burke. When it's secure, flip it. My boy go berserk, get all in your Burt. We speeding, no racing, just chilling the first. You dying to be us, you dying to live. Step rep for your mother, get mommy a driver. My dukes in the tents, got mom undercover. She got all them rats, she don't need a lover and she need a chef. Get ready for supper, eating like a king. King, and a nigga known for doing kingly things. Ayy, yeah, I'm from the floors.